Dami ito. Ganun na
Dito.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm super excited because I'm taking with me to Mont-Tremblant, Quebec. Let's go explore and see what makes Mont-Tremblant a special place to visit. Go, go, go! Along the way, we noticed this Marina, so we stopped and looked what's in here. We stopped on this Marina, the boat station, to take a look. That's good. Awesome. We are now here at Mont-Tremblant. Mont-Tremblant is a city in the Laurentian mountain of Quebec, approximately 130 kilometers northwest of Montreal City, Salon-Wide. Today I'll take you on a journey to a Quebec high-time castle, where every season tell a new story. Welcome to Mont-Tremblant. Our adventure begins the moment I step on the Harbor House. Watch out! We have to take another cable car to reach the top of the mountain. So after, we will take another cable car. As it slowly climbs, the village becomes smaller while the mountain opened up in front of me like a blank painting. The higher we go, the more breathtaking views behind rolling hills, deep forests, and the crisp mountain air can feel through the skin. Loosen the top and step out and take a walk around. But the journey doesn't end here. We have to head back by the harbor, even climbing to the highest the next level. We have to buy a ticket for the harbor hall. The first harbor hall is free, but this one we have to pay. We have to take another ride to reach the top of the mountain.
Dalawa pa tayo may video. Nakamalag kami sa taas niya.
From up here, Mont-Tremblant beautiful is majesty. The surrounding world glistening in the sunlight, the bigger star below. And the endless expanse of mountain stretching beyond the horizon. It's just a peaceful day. This isn't just a visit, it's an experience. Bubble, we're alive. Loosen the top and step out and take a walk around. It feels crystal clear. I think the world slowed down just for a moment. Every owner will be something new. Our players, stunning viewpoints, and have a similar that this is stop, good, and thus visitor is. Thanks for watching the video today. There's more to see and more to do at the research. See you in my next video. Bye bye.